What's going on, guys? Matt Manduke. I don't want to fly out of the water. I probably could take the jetpack off for this, but I'm trying to do this contest where it's a matter of eating the most sharks, and there is another contest where it's a matter of eating the most individual things, and I think there's another one for gold rushes. Out of the water on this one. I can't eat him either. Can't eat the megalodon though. The megalodon, for whatever reason, is overly aggressive. Not there. Oops. Down here, because I think there's more sharks down here than there is just swimming around that top tank. But in here, it is very hard for me to move. What is that gold crab? I don't know why. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. There are some in here that I can't eat, but most of them I can. And like those guys are in there. Those guys are in there. Oh, come on. Go. Oh, they're eating. These are 4-minute challenges, so I need to go this way. I can't. I think I need to go that way. Where are you going? I can't eat him. I got a gold rush. Can't eat him. That's a dead end. And then down here there's another guy I can't eat. Can I go this way? Yeah. Another gold rush down here. There's some sharks there. There's another gold rush. I'm hoping to get a mega gold rush. And I might, because sharks give a lot of points. There it is, mega gold rush, and then I can eat these guys. That guy. Pretty much eat. Well, you can eat everything when you get a mega gold rush. Up here. Another megalodon, but at least I got a gold rush, because that'll get me out of here. And I only got 49 seconds left, so we'll see what we can do. I do think I'm having a problem with audio because my hand goes over where the mic is while I'm playing this game. Alright, I got a gold rush. I don't want to be up in the air. What kind of idiot humans would be swimming on this beach? But it happens. Now, I don't think I need to do that because the timer's out, but 49, that's not my record. My record's 62. That was actually the first time you guys watched this. But if you enjoyed this and you want to see my other gaming experiences, go ahead and click that video there. Or if you want to see what else this channel is about, go ahead and click that video there. As always, guys, I want you to like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see all my friends later.